The first one is audience. So if you have an audience already, you can add your contacts right here. So let's just click on that real quick. I want to show you. There are 3 different ways you could do it. You can import from another service. So that'll just connect to, if you used like, I don't know, Sendinblue or something like that, you can connect over very easily. You can also upload a file if you have a CSV or a text file, or you could just copy and paste the contacts as well. And those are 3 of the main ways you'd go about doing this. I'm going to go back. I don't have any contacts to import, but if we go down to all contacts, you've got some options here. So for one, if you wanted to manually add a contact without a sign up form, you could add them right here just by clicking add contacts, add a subscriber. And if you're trying to if you want your mom to be an email newsletter subscriber, but your mom doesn't want to sign up on the form, you could do it like this. You could just input the name and everything like this. So I'm just going to add myself. And of course, this person does give me consent because I am myself. And I'm going to say subscribe. You could also update somebody's profile as well in that sense. If somebody emails you and says, hey, today's not my birthday, it's tomorrow, and you have some type of birthday promotion, you could just go and do that yourself as well. But I also wanted to point out, when you go to all contacts, not only can you add somebody, so we now see I am on there, actually 2 versions of me, because the owner of the account and then the one I just added. But if we wanted to remove one of them, so if somebody's just really annoying or they're telling you, please remove me from your list, you can go and manually do this. So we can click on the little checkbox, say actions, and we can unsubscribe them from our list. So let's confirm, and they're going to be removed. In addition, of course, you can see how many people are subscribed, how many are unsubscribed, and different things like that. You can see some little information down here as you start to grow your audience. This is, of course, from the overview tab within audience.